True leadership is not about authority, but about service, integrity, and accountability. Lately, reiterate, true leadership is not about authority, but about service, integrity, and accountability. Hindi lang yan pautos-utos, hindi lang pasigaw-sigaw, but coupled with responsibility and accountability. With high ranks come higher duties. You are now expected to lead by example as mentors, role models, and pillars of PROTEC. Your actions and decisions will shape the direction of our organization and inspire the next generation. As the Christmas season approaches, I urge everyone to remain vigilant and proactive. Our community depends on our unity, dedication. Let us work together to uphold peace, ensure public order, and sustain the trust of the public. Again, congratulations to our newly promoted police commission, police non-commissioned officers, and non-uniformed personnel of PROTEC and our national support units. Wear your new ranks with humility and pride. Serve with excellence and lead with integrity.